All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us, still on the matter. Hey, Yoruba Nation, who going back? Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. My brother, my sister, this is a good news. Still on the mode of celebration, still on the mood of appreciation, still on the mood of thanksgiving for Chief Sunday Igboho. Well, a lot of people have been expressing gratitude to God on the honor, on the freedom of Chief Sunday. But in fact, many people are of the opinion that victory at last, freedom at last, and exactly what we are actually talking about. Right now, the wife of Chief Sunday Igboho have finally come out to appreciate everybody that have been supporting Chief Sunday Igboho, that have been supporting her husband. Hmm. Right from the day her husband was arrested and released, and until the moment that the husband is now being free at last. My brother, my sister, this is a very great Thanksgiving. And then she had actually thanked everybody. She had thanked the president of Benin Republic. She has thanked the Professor Banji Akintoye. She has thanked everyone. In fact, hey, it's not an easy task. She has given God all the glory that at last her husband can be with her again, and that she will be free to go everywhere, wherever she wants with her husband. And then, in fact, to the extent, in case you don't know, tomorrow 10th will be Chief Sunday Igboho's birthday. And then right now, a lot of people are now like, wow, in fact, it's a good thing that he's freed. At the same time, he will be able to celebrate his birthday. And then a lot of people have been, happy about this, that it's a good one, that this one that God has done for Chief Sunday Igboho, that it will continue to be a joyous thing in his house, in his entire household. This time around, Chief Sunday Igboho himself has made it clear that at least he will be able to, do a befitting burial for his mother, his late mother. Because hey, my brother, my sister, it's not any way easy that somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho, with this kind of, with the level to which he has attained, with how much the mother was so good to him and everything, now lost his mother, he will not be able to come home to do a befitting burial. Right now, Chief Sunday Igboho is now free. For all those people who have been spying to say, oh, let's see when it will come so that we can arrest him. Now they don't have that power. They don't have such power anymore, because he has done all the right thing. He has to do. He has been able to to fulfill every rules and regulations, all the treatment, all the the work he's supposed to have completed. Right now, Chief Sunday Igboho has completed everything, and right now it's high time for him to go home and then enjoy himself with his family. Yeah, so the wife of Chief Sunday Igboho is now appreciating everyone. Most especially, thanks goes to God Almighty. Freedom at last for her husband. And a lot of people are still, this woman really tried. She actually stood by Chief Sunday Igboho. Sunday Igboho's wife sends message of congratulations to everyone, and then thanking her husband for being a good man, and then thanking God also for making her husband to be a free man at last. Well, welcome back to your father's land, Sunday Igboho. That's exactly a lot of people have been talking about that. That finally, ilé baba ọmọ kò ń bẹ ni lẹ́rù lóòótọ́. All right, so congratulations to you, bá mi. Ọ̀rẹ́ gan kọ́ o, at all. Congratulations, sir. Now, the truth of the matter is that as far as Yoruba land is concerned, we have seen it all. Either you like it or not, we have seen it all, that for the Yoruba Nation movement to stand out, to be on their own, it's not a mistake. And the pioneer of this movement, Chief Sunday Igboho, and the rest of them, they knew everything will come to this, that there will be hardship in the country, that the best thing for us is let us be free. But right now, look at what is going on. A lot of people are even regretting it right now that, oh, well, you understand what I'm talking about. For the benefit of those who are, who are with the movement, it is a great deal. They understand where we are right now, and then as it is, Chief Sunday Boy himself had made it clear that for everyone out there that has been supporting the movement, they should not stop, because this is not even the right time for you to stop. But the truth of the matter is, we as a Yoruba nation agitator, we as a Yoruba nation pioneer, we are not in to destroy anything. It's all about peaceful demonstrations. Yes, in everything that Chief Sunday Igboho actually did for the people, for for the entire Yoruba land, even throughout the rallies, we could see that there was never a time that Chief Sunday will say, okay, I deal with this one, fight this one. No, it was all peaceful throughout. What we were actually talking about is we need to be on our own because things have not been working for us. It's as simple as that. Chief Sunday will never authorize anybody to go and be fighting, be killing, and be doing all sorts of things. And exactly what it is. That is why somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho, as it stands right now, is now vindicated. The wife is so happy about the movement, and a lot of people have made it clear. Orego Konleleyo, freedom at last for Chief Sunday Igboho. And then as it stands, I think this time around is going to be permanent. Yes, this is what we are actually talking about. Chief Sunday Igboho needs to go home and then celebrate himself and then do a proper burial for the mother, a befitting burial at that. That's exactly what we are talking about. Yeah, so Orego Konlele you at all, at all. Yeah, so it is not a joke at all. Well, according to Adedeji Olorunwa, says, well, congratulations to you and many more wonderful years to celebrate in your life. Stay safe with love, laughter, and success in life, and many happy, wonderful years to celebrate in your life. Stay safe, our own Chief Sunday Igboho. Congratulations, Bami Osha. We are proud of you. Congratulations, sir. Welcome to your father's land, Yoruba nation. No going back. Oh, all right, my brother, my sister. This is exactly what we are actually talking about. Well, a lot of people already understand this. Ekun Oko Fulani is back. Oh, my brother, my sister. This is another strong one that we are getting. Well, I think once again we say a very big one. Congratulations for Chief Sunday Igboho. Finally, victory at last, and it will be forever. All right, my people, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this one, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.